channel. Today Hala was cooking the hot dog and she looks like a cook. I will tell her about her. She's cooking today the hot dog. It was yummy. I tasted it. It's good. And I got my hoverboard already. I look cool wearing this hoverboard and this necklace. Yeah, Hala is cooking food for us. That was yum. My sister's cooking. You can call her my sister or Hala, okay? Her name is Hala. That's it. My name? Oh yeah, it's in my channel. Okay. Yeah, she's cooking food. It tastes yum. She put some toppings. Yummy. She put some coconut. Yeah. It was yummy. Subscribe for more. For this pool. You guys up to me 1,000 subscribers. Guys, you put me 1,000 likes off the pool off. We record the video like last time, like yesterday. You put me 1,000 likes and you go to the pool. That's nasty. I'm not going there, guys. This is the nastiest I ever seen. This blue. It's big. It's just nasty. Yeah. Today Hala is cooking. I'm excited. I already tasted hot dogs. It's just yummy. She cooked chicken, food, a lot of food, and she cooked some drinks. I'm kidding. She didn't cook. I'm tricking you guys. Subscribe for more, and I will show you the lake next week. I can do it now, guys. You need to like 1,000. I can do it now. You want 1,000 likes for another lake or next week? Okay, guys. And I heard someone moving. I will see you next time. Bye. I will see you next time. I'm kidding. I don't want to call that. See you next time.